What's up, audience? In this series, we are going to talk about a DELL Inspiron laptop. We've got here is an Inspiron 1525 right there. It's a DELL laptop. Yeah, what do we got there? Core 2, Windows Vista, kind of old school, and we are looking to get rid of it. So coming up, you're going to see it being taken apart. When taking apart any laptop, you want to remove the battery first. There's a lock on this side. The battery slides out. There's the battery. So we'll ditch that. Next thing we're going to do is remove the hard drive, and the hard drive is actually held in at the top here by a screw right there, and it's placed right there. So let's get that screw out and get that hard drive out of there. And the hard drive is right here. We're going to unscrew the screw. And there's our screw. We have a second screw. And there's the second screw. Now our hard drive should come out. There we go. What's that? A Toshiba hard drive. Looking good. Hard drive's out. We can get the data off it. And that's how you remove a hard drive from our DELL Inspiron.
Awesome!